Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So in my last Perplexity versus U.com video, I said that I liked how Perplexity had a YouTube mode that allows you to summarize one or multiple YouTube videos, and that I really like that feature because it plays into the whole information gain concept. And I was wrong, and one of my subscribers pointed that out, saying that U.com has actually the ability to summarize YouTube videos. So in today's video, we'll be writing a quote-unquote perfect article that is complemented by statistics and data from YouTube videos, and I will share the whole workflow as far as prompts go in my free ChatGPT custom prompts library that you can get following the link under the video down below, and you will be subscribing to my newsletter as well. Also, we'll be using Neuron Writer, but only to double check the SEO score. We won't be using any of the NLP keywords from Neuron Writer, neither the outline. So Neuron Writer is kind of obsolete in this video. So let's get started. And we can do it bottom up or top down. Let's first test the YouTube summarization capabilities. So if you go and use this keyword here, does Agility Writer pass AI detection? You can see that 3 of my videos are actually on the first page. And I know for sure, since I'm the author, that they contain statistics and data. So the first prompt I want to try out is this one here, but we need to switch to Genius mode. It does work in other modes as well, like research mode, but I find that it works best with Genius. So the prompt is, can you give me a summary of each of the below videos focusing on data and statistics? So this is the summary of the first video. Makes a lot of standard mistakes since I'm not a native speaker and it relies on the transcript. It says GPT instead of GPT. It is messing up the name of the tool, which is not Agility Writer, although it would be fun, but Agility Writer. But as you can see, it's extracting a lot of statistics. So the first video discusses the new AI detection module. Settings tested, the default, GPT 3.5, plain GPT-4, GPT-4 plus readability, GPT-4 plus readability AI setting 1 and 2. And these are the results and the conclusion and a summary. Then another video, as you can see, lots of statistics where I'm testing humanized writing style, concise writing style, and informal writing style. And finally, the last video where I'm testing different modes, if I remember correctly, optimized and advanced modes. What I can say is as follows. The tool is called Agility Writer, also not GBD but GPT, and then summarize the above in an engaging bite-sized piece of context, text and tables. So this is likely to fix some of the misspellings. Okay. At least Agility Writer is spelled correctly. And this is a very nice key findings table and key statistics as well. Okay, very nice. So what we can do, rename it, I would say Agility Writer detection statistics, and we will leave it at that. I could continue doing the same chat, but the context window is still something to consider. And also, I just don't want to mess everything up and start again. So we have the Agility Writer detection statistics here. And now we can go to another task, and I will be using the research mode. And the task is that of creating an outline. So the prompt is, give me an SEO optimized keyword rich article outline for does Agility Writer pass AI detection. And the reason I'm choosing research is because I want the maximum number of citations references, and I want these to be as robust as possible. And in my own testing, the research mode does give you a lot more citations. It almost double checks the information more than other modes, Perplexity included. And I like how this is a semi-draft article almost. So this is something in between of the actual article and the outline. Introduction, understanding AI detection features, detection capabilities, best practices, and as you can see, lots of sources. Conclusion, references. Now, what I need is the NLP keywords, and we can use the free tool, which is called Through with 3 U's. As you remember, my article is ranking number 1, this one here. So I'll be using this as a proxy. All I need to do is insert the URL and go check keyword frequency. Now, I won't be copying the whole lot because this tool basically tracks every keyword, even if it's mentioned once. So I'll be copying this over all the way to, say, number 3. So we're interested in all the words that I mentioned at least 3 times. And now I have my SEO prompt template, which is basically a very short command, then the outline, then the NLP keywords, and finally the links. So again, this is in the ChatGPT prompts library that you can get. And I'll be using this outline here. So I'll be starting a new chat. I like everything to be written in my brand voice. So I'll be choosing my custom assistant, which is called Brand Voice Opus. And this is the actual prompt. So I didn't even bother cleaning this up. So this has the number of mentions as well. Okay, let's insert the links.txt to fetch my internal links from, and this is based on the sitemap. Let's click next. And this is the article that we've gotten. As you can see, it contains some internal links, some FAQs. Let's copy this over to Neural Writer. And mind you, this is based on the outline from u.com and the NLP keywords from through. And still, we've gotten a 65 SEO optimization score. Now, obviously, what we can do, we can go to the statistics that we had, copy this over as well, and place it strategically anywhere in here. We can get rid of the mention of specific videos, can name it AI detection results, and we can even say something along the lines of experiment 1 showcased agility writers' new AI detection capabilities, experiment 2 provided comprehensive review, experiment 3 explored the advanced and optimized modes. And these are the statistics, and as you can see, we even managed to grow our SEO score by 1 point. So this is how you use u.com and through to write a highly SEO optimized factual article that is in line with the information gain concept. Again, you don't need Neural Writer to achieve good results. And yeah, again, this workflow with all of the prompts is going to be in the ChatGPT prompts library that you can get for free. Hope this video was helpful. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you next time. Cheers.